Yeah, this is a homemade bioprinter. So we build up all by ourselves, and it has a computer design, image display, and then the stages that can control three-dimensional motion at a nanometer scale. So this is a laser-based printing technologies. The previous one we saw is more about microscale printing. But with the help of this so-called ultra-fast laser, we can print as small as a couple hundred nanometer structures. And if you imagine biological cells on the order of micron. Micron means 10 times smaller than the human hair diameter. A nano is 1,000 times smaller than that. Laser beam come all the way into this system, and then with this kind of system we can print as small as 100 nanometer structures. So as I mentioned, a cell on the order of micron, but a cell sees, also interacts with the environment at nanometer scale. So it's very important if you can print the nanostructure so you can understand how the cell communicates with the environment.
This laser printer, is it off the shelf, or did you have to design and build it yourselves?
We put different components together, including buying the laser, buying the microscope, and then we put them together, and with the help of the software, you can control this three-dimensional printing process. Very few labs have systems like this. Yeah. So we are among very few people who can do this kind of nanoscale printing.
In the world?
In the world, yeah. So this part of the lab is more for cell handling, cell culture. So when you have a cell printed in a structure, you need to feed them, to put them in a culture medium so they can grow. Yeah, otherwise they will die. So we have the facilities we need to maintain the cell viability.
What kind of cells?
So we have different types of cells in the lab: neuron cells, cardiac cells, liver cells, and all these.
All from people.
Often, many of them are made from skin cells, reprogrammed and into a human cardiac cell and human liver cells, for instance.
And they can grow indefinitely?
They can grow for a long time.